I've been talking about our economic plan that is going to help young people stay in their local communities. We also want to introduce policies to keep transport costs lower, to make sure that renters have fairness and people have right to housing. There's loads of things that Plaid Cymru are coming out with that are going to benefit young people, and especially in the wake of a generation that's been, well, frankly screwed over by whether that's Labour or the Conservatives, whoever's in Westminster. This manifesto just shows the really stark choice voters are facing this election, whether it's putting our NHS in the hands of a party whose leaders previously wanted to privatise the NHS, whether it's their divisive immigration policies or an uncosted manifesto. The Institute for Fiscal Studies absolutely slammed the Conservative manifesto, and then they called the Reform's manifesto déjà vu. So I think, yes, we're going to have a better manifesto, and it's going to be costed, and it's going to paint a real positive vision for Wales, because frankly, Reform is more concerned with getting Nigel Farage into number 10, and that was clear from their manifesto launch when they spent the first half of the speech
You mentioned the
talking about
IFS.
it.